How was I consistent enough to lose 90 kgs? It's very difficult to be consistent with something that's new, hard, and uncomfortable. You cannot expect to consistently do something that you think of as a chore. What clicked for me finally and made me consistent was making it a part of my identity. I had to change my thoughts around it. Instead of I have to work out, it became I am someone who works out and moves their body to feel good. Instead of I have to eat healthy, boring food, became I am someone who nourishes their body with proper, nutritious food. I have to walk post meals, became I am someone who walks after eating to aid in digestion and prevent bloating. See how good that sounds? So make it a part of your identity. You're not someone who's lazy, unfit, and unhealthy. You're just a thought away from being fit, healthy, and someone who loves their body.